Welcome to the top best. The best sugar-free chocolate chips is probably one of the most sought-after treats for those looking to indulge their sweet cravings without the guilt of added sugars, making them a versatile ingredient for bakers and snackers alike who are mindful of their dietary intake. Whether you're baking cookies, brownies, or simply looking for a healthier way to enjoy a chocolatey bite, finding the right sugar-free chocolate chips can elevate your culinary creations and satisfy your palate. This review will guide you through the top options available, ensuring you make an informed decision for your next delicious, guilt-free treat. Number 5. HighKey Keto Chocolate Chip Mini Cookies 3-pack. Craving something sweet? Our mini cookies are the perfect guilt-free indulgence. Enjoy the classic chocolate chip cookie taste without the sugar. Designed for your keto or diabetic lifestyle, these cookies fit right in. They are low in carbs and sugar, making them a smart choice for healthy snacking. Enjoy delicious cookies without the gluten. We've crafted these treats to be completely gluten-free, so everyone can enjoy them. Looking for a healthy protein boost? These cookies provide a good source of protein to keep you satisfied. They are a smart snack for any time of day. These mini cookies are perfectly portioned for a satisfying snack. Grab a pack and enjoy a delicious, low-sugar treat that fits your diet-friendly lifestyle. Discover your new favorite healthy snack. With their delicious taste and beneficial ingredients, these cookies are sure to become a staple in your pantry. What we like? These mini cookies are perfect for those following a keto lifestyle. They offer a satisfying sweet treat without the sugar. If you're looking for a convenient, portion-controlled keto snack, these are an excellent choice. What people say? The chocolate chips are a great sugar-free option for baking. These sugar-free chocolate chips melt well and taste good in cookies. I appreciate that these chips are made with a good quality chocolate and are sugar-free. Number 4. Yupik Organic Dark Chocolate Chips. Indulge in the deep, rich flavor of our organic dark chocolate chips. Made with 70% cacao for an intense chocolate experience. Enjoy guilt-free sweetness as these chips have no sugar added. They offer a pure, unadulterated chocolate taste. Perfect for everyone, these chips are gluten-free, GMO-free, kosher, and vegan. They are also dairy-free, making them a versatile choice. Their small size and smooth melting quality make them ideal for all your baking needs. Elevate your cookies, brownies, and more. This generous 2.2 pounds bag ensures you have plenty on hand for all your chocolatey creations. Satisfy your cravings with this ample supply. What we like? Experience the rich taste of organic dark chocolate with no added sugar. These chips are a fantastic option for vegans and those with dairy sensitivities. If you appreciate intense cacao flavor and want a healthier baking ingredient, these are for you. What people say? Excellent organic dark chocolate that I mix in my yogurt and trail mix. No added sugar. They are small and last a long time. So many uses for them. I like that it's made with stevia and is dark chocolate. I can melt, cook, make low-calorie, sugar-free desserts with it. Number 3. Viva Naturals Organic Cacao Nibs. Discover the rich, intense flavor of pure organic cacao nibs. Sourced for exceptional quality, they offer a guilt-free indulgence. Enjoy their naturally unsweetened taste, perfect for a variety of culinary creations. Use them as a healthy substitute for chocolate chips in your favorite recipes. Cater to your dietary needs with these keto and vegan-friendly nibs. They fit seamlessly into a healthy lifestyle. We ensure the highest standards by providing a non-GMO and gluten-free product. You can trust the purity of what you're consuming. Elevate your snacks and meals with this wholesome alternative to traditional chocolate. Experience a delicious crunch and a boost of antioxidants. Each convenient 1lb bag is packed with goodness, ready to be added to your smoothies, baked goods, or enjoyed on their own. What we like? For a pure, unsweetened chocolate experience, these cacao nibs are ideal. They are keto-friendly and offer a natural crunch. If you prefer to control your sweetness or want a healthy, antioxidant-rich chocolate substitute for baking or snacking, these are a great pick. What people say? There are few holes and almost no bits that taste moldy, as with other brands. The flavor and aroma and texture are far more consistent than a reasonably well-regarded competitor, indicating more quality control for bean sourcing and roasting. The nibs give the frosting a bit of texture, crunch, and interesting appearance. Number 2. Hershey's sugar-free semi-sweet baking chips. Craving something sweet without the sugar? Now you can enjoy your favorite baked goods with these delicious sugar-free semi-sweet chips. Perfect for all your baking needs. Experience the classic, rich semi-sweet chocolate taste you love, now with zero sugar. These chips are crafted to deliver exceptional flavor in every bite. Elevate your baking with a smarter choice. These chips melt beautifully, ensuring your cookies, brownies, and cakes turn out perfectly every time. Whether you're managing your sugar intake or simply looking for a healthier option, these chips are your go-to. Enjoy baking without compromise. Get more of what you love with this convenient 2-pack. Plenty to share or to keep your pantry stocked for all your sweet creations. From a brand you trust, these sugar-free chips uphold the Hershey standard of quality. Enjoy premium ingredients for your best bakes. What we like? Enjoy the classic semi-sweet taste you love, now sugar-free. These chips are designed for baking, making your favorite desserts guilt-free. If you're a baker who wants to reduce sugar intake without compromising on flavor, these are a must-have. What people say. Great taste and texture, just like regular chocolate chips. Perfect for baking and melting, without the sugar. Enjoy guilt-free snacking with these delicious sugar-free chips. Number 1. Lakanto sugar-free semi-sweet chocolate chips. Enjoy the rich, satisfying taste of chocolate without the sugar. These chips are perfect for all your sweet cravings. Elevate your baking with these versatile chocolate chips. They melt beautifully and mix in seamlessly for delicious results every time. Crafted with monk fruit and erythritol, they offer a naturally sweet flavor. You can feel good about using them in your favorite recipes. Whether you're following a gluten-free or vegan lifestyle, these chips fit right in. They are a wonderful addition to your pantry. Looking for a healthy snack? These chocolate chips are a delightful choice on their own. Enjoy a moment of pure pleasure. From pancakes to protein bites, their uses are endless. Experience the delicious taste and smooth texture in every bite. What we like? Sweetened naturally with monk fruit and erythritol, these chips offer a great taste without the sugar. They are perfect for a wide range of uses, from baking to snacking. If you're looking for a sugar-free option that bakes and melts well, and you prefer natural sweeteners, these are an excellent choice. What people say. Melted great in the cookies. Hard to believe no sugar. Taste just like regular chocolate chips and without the sugar. Love that this has no refined sugar and still tastes the same. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.